A new contender has arrived in the hypercar arena, and it's shaking things up with an outrageous powertrain and bold engineering. Meet the Giamaro Katla, a beast of a machine packing a quad-turbocharged 7.0-liter V12 engine developed entirely in-house by the Italian automaker. This hypercar delivers jaw-dropping performance figures that leave even the most legendary supercars in the dust. Power outputs come in two brutal variants. The entry-level version pumps out a staggering 1,647 horsepower and 1,147 pound-feet of torque, while the top-spec Katla cranks the numbers up to an insane. The Katla rolls on 20 and 21-inch wheels fitted with Bridgestone Potenza sport tires, offering maximum grip and responsiveness. Braking performance matches the power output, with massive discs measuring 16.5 inches all around, gripped by 10 piston calipers at the front and 4 piston units at the rear. An active rear wing enhances downforce and doubles as an air brake, providing aerodynamic control at high speeds. In terms of size, the Katla measures 188.6 inches long with a wheelbase of 108.3 inches, making it slightly larger than an American icon, the Corvette. The car's carbon fiber monocoque weighs just 375 pounds, helping keep the total weight impressively low at 3,197 pounds, despite housing a large V12 engine. This lightweight structure contributes to the Katla's reported 42:58 front-to-rear weight distribution, favoring rear traction and balance. Inside, details remain sparse, but Giamaro reveals an aviation-inspired cockpit featuring premium materials such as aluminum, carbon fiber, and refined textile weaves. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system are angled toward the driver, emphasizing the Katla's driver-centric philosophy. Other highlights include a flat-bottom steering wheel, push-button shifter, sport seats, and minimalistic controls designed to keep distractions at bay. Suspension technology is cutting-edge, with solid aluminum alloy components and electronically adjustable dampers that allow the ride height to automatically adjust. This ensures a perfect blend of aerodynamic efficiency and everyday usability, an impressive feat for such a high-performance machine. Giamaro isn't stopping at the Katla. The company has also teased a second model called the Alber, a rugged hypercar inspired by the Lamborghini Huracan Sterato. Featuring increased ride height, chunky carbon fiber fender flares, unique bodywork, and an aggressive exhaust, the Alber shares the Katla's monocoque and V12 engine. Named after a Martian volcano, the Alber promises to bring a new level of off-road capability to the hypercar world. In conclusion, the Giamaro Katla is an extraordinary statement of power, design, and engineering. With up to 2,127 horsepower delivered solely to the rear wheels, it offers a raw and thrilling driving experience that stands out amid a growing sea of electric hypercars. Keep an eye on this Italian newcomer, it's poised to make a significant impact.